Whakawhai atu, hanei hamoitolo do walatala tutupu ki lata moi pulipone. Good evening, and these are our top stories for tonight. Molea e lemasio e tangata he motu ne kua sivi ki ngā ngāo Mama Pala. Over 500 tested for TB on the island. Tupe whakawhono hakua whakaonga tau kese mo tā kā ki lata moi tau aircon. Government concerned gas from late model imported cars substituted for aircon gas. Totua e whakawhauanga he whale aonga Lialo. Delay in the construction of the accommodation blocks at Lialo. Tumo angaia e whai ngā hua malolosino ke tau se tau sivianga ke lata moi Mama Pala. Talahau he ke kafo ko Dr. Jason Tautasi, tokoa angaia e tau tangata ne maua e ngā ngāo TB, ngā ngāo Mama Pala. Ki hoko mai ki he mga honei kua molea lemasio tangata ne kua sivi he whai malolosino. Sivi whakamoa e tau tangata he tau maanga ne kua nonofo e tau tangata ne maua e ngā ngāo Mama Pala, whakalataha mo i tau kapisinga, mo i tau mangwhaoa. Pē mai e eke kafo Jason Tautasi, ka eke kua pikisia ki ngā ngāo kua hangahanga mita ki tau whakawanga he whai ngā hua malolosino, ke tauwhi e ngā ngāo nei, ke auane ke pikisia whoki, hā tangata ke tau sengawoi mo i tau leweki. Whakaoho whakalahi he whai ngā hua malolosino, ki tau tangata ne nā kai la sivi ki o atu ke sivi hako i ngā ngāo mai eke ke tului mo i tauwhi. 2 confirmed cases still remain for Niue in relation to tuberculosis on the island. Dr. Jason Tautasi confirmed they've been doing relatively good in relation to containing the infection with ongoing monitoring of those 60 persons that have been tested positive to the infection. At least 2 to 3 patients out of the 60 are being seen daily in order to contain the infection from spreading. The infection can be cured with antibiotics, with medication being taken at least 6 to 9 months. Over 500 people have been screened to date. Ko tupe e whaktuwhono ki mga nei ki tau motoka ne whata mai he tonga ne molea hongfu malema e tautau hane mai longa nā kai hangahanga mitaki mai takatakai motu. Ko tupe whoki hakua longona kua whakaonga e kese mai he tau motoka nei ki whakamui e tau koloa whakahauhau whakahingoa ko i tau aircons. Tautau kua mole ne whakatu mo i talia he kapeneta ke whai mata whaktuwhono ke lata mo i tau le kua pehenei. Ko i tau whai ngā hua kasitamu, takatai motu, pihia mo i biosecurity, ne kua potoia, mo i whakanga hua e mata whaktuwhono nei. Ne talahau he tahu kui mai he whai ngā hua biosecurity, kua whita e whakanga hua e mata whaktuwhono nei, mo i kua whai motoka, kua liwaki, ki New Zealand, ha kua molea hongfun malema e tau. Haha iai whoki e tau mata whaktuwhono ke whakahala lau tolu, ka eke kua nāka i mumuitua ke mata whaktuwhono. Haha iai e tau langmatai he whaktuwhono ke langmatai aki e tau tangata ne tau mai tau matakawho po ke nāka i molea whiha e tau tau ne whawhati ki ai. Amanaki whakalahi e whaktuwhono ke ngā hua whakalataha mo i tau whai ngā hua takitaha ke langmatai e whikau nei. There have been concerns pertaining to cars that have been brought in by ship that continue to be 15 years old. While not good for the environment, there's been an issue whereby gas from these cars have additionally been used for air conditioners. Crown Law as well as Biosecurity have informed that a policy was passed by Cabinet previously, with respective laws now recognised to prohibit cars older than 15 years entering into Niue in order to safeguard Niue's environment, what with older cars deteriorating sooner. It's been alleged that cars older than 15 years of age that have arrived in Niue have already been sent back as enforced by authorities. Customs, Environment and Biosecurity play pivotal roles in facilitating services of inspecting vehicles. It's understood that there are penalties in place. There are also benefits for those that bring environmentally friendly and newer models of cars into Niue. Mainstreaming such communication, education and enforcement is the aim to strengthen and tighten border controls pertaining to the issue at hand. Koi whakaloanga ke whenanga ewa i Lialo, he whali i Lialo awasele kua totua ke mga honei mo i kua nā kai la kamata. Koi mata kouta whale mo tama constructions, whakalata mo i kouta shop export, ne maua e kontuleke. Koi lakaanga whakamua, he matanga hua nei, kua osi he tau se he mahina kua male e mau i tau kou pā, ki loto he tau poko aonga. Pē mai e hukui he whakatuwhono ki he mga nei, koi whakatali ki he tau ka loa tā whale, ki hoko mai ki he motu, tō mai ki kamata e ngā hua. Ke mga nei, ko ngā hua ki he whakamea tau poko aonga, mo i whakahanga mitaki e wholoa ki whakamoka e a ki anga hua, ka eke ko ka mata he taumahina kuku I mua. Nā kaila whai whakatokatokanga ke lata moi whale ke ua aki, hoi ono ke mau moi mapoapo a Lialo ke lotaanga he tau whau. The construction of the accommodation blocks in Lialo Avasele has been delayed. The successful applicant for the Lialo project was Motama Constructions and the supplier for the building materials, Shop Export. The first step of the project was completed last month, where the walls within the upper terrace of the school were demolished. According to the project representative, the delay is due to the building materials arriving before the construction commences. The site is being cleared to make it easier to start once the building materials arrive on the island. There is no set plan for the second Lialo building, but the Lialo project is expected to complete halfway through the new year. Ne whakahoko e aho whakatata hana mukulu ke okioki wahatapu. Pesini he nākai tōlonga e tau tangata I loto he maanga, kua mai ke tau matakainanga na mukulu, whafo ke langmatai ke whakafua e tau kai ke kehe tunga tau ata, tau kai umu, tau kai tunupaku, moi tau kai humelie. Ne whakatata he tau mamatua whiwhine ngā hoa he maanga e halau tolu a tau ngā hoa lima, koi tau kafu tuitui, tau kafu pili, moi tau ngā hoa lima lau whā. Ne tuko atu he whanau takitaki maanga hana mukulu, e tau manatu whaoe ki tau tangata he maanga, ki he tau pia whoki mo I tau matakainanga mo he tau maanga I tua ki tau langmatai ki he maanga. Ne whakakatoa toa e aho mo I tau kōli mo I tau lolongo whakawhiawhia he maanga. Despite being one of the smallest villages on the island, Namukulu hosted a successful village show day. It has been over 5 years since the last Namukulu show day was held in 2011. The Namukulu community and the outer villages came together bringing goods and various produce to sell, from raw fish, barbecue food, to umu food, local produce and desserts. The women's handicrafts were very impressive, with a variety of embroidery pieces, mats, hats, tie-days all on display. Namukulu ended the show day with a variety of performances from the community members. Si pēnā hadau tōla tau wala tala tutupu, ke lata mai puli pōnei. Nona wha moi monuina. That ends our news bulletin for this evening. We hope you can join us this coming Thursday.